Alright, we're back on another video of Cat Wanners. So we're back with another video in Cat Wanners. Please get this video to at least 1K views or 3K or 3K views so I can get finger painter, please. And let's get to 100 subscribers by February the 20th. Hopefully, if not by March. So yeah, just get to 1,000 views, get my fingerprint badge right here, and get to 100 subscribers by March. I'm watching you. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Alright. Let's see, let me just clear. Go left. Hooah, 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 hooah.
Funny man, funny man, funny man, funny man, funny man.
Whoa.
And I muted for some reason.
Because everyone's being I,
Bro, whose name is I?
Alright, let's do another cut. I'm gonna touch him. Yeah, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Why are you ground camping? Nothing chill. Why did you fall? You guys want to join the KKK, the Cool Kids Club? I know that is it.
Kid, you didn't report it.
No! Yeah, report him! Yeah, cool starts with a C, not a K. Yo, you with the Santa hat. I literally met you like 6 times.
I know your sign.
No.
Why do I keep meeting you?
No.
Bro, why do I keep meeting you, bro? TSS. I met you like 6 times. TSS. Kid, I started seeing you for once. Like, God, get off the game, bro. I don't like, I keep seeing you, bro.
Mar.
TSS. I know you're a moderator. I'm animatronic. I
Bro,
really
my yellow and white green is right there, man.
I'm animatronic. Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh no, Robbie. Levy sucks.
Yo, TTT Yo, Green, come on ground. TSS.
Oh. Alright, so. Oh my. And. Let's go to another lobby. Okay. The people gonna start joining, I don't know. Probably not, so I'm just. Oh. He joined, but I'm with him. No, I'm on me here. Take my people on. Bruh. This guy's bugging. Okay. Oh boy. Bruh. Why is nobody in the section? Yo, hello?
Bro, I don't know what keeps happening, but I keep getting to servers without any.
Wow. This tag. Never mind. Got you. You suck. Oh. Okay, I'm going to Shabby. Yo, hello.
Hello? Where's my cheese? Did you saw that?
Yeah, I'm out here.
You again.
Hey, say to the camera. I'm in the corner right now. It's right here.
Why? Hold up, let me put it on.
Bruh.
I have the mod, bruh. Come on.
No, I don't see it.
I put it down, bruh. This is more. He's toxic.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at him.
You
Look at him.
saw those two like
Look at
guys
this dude.
with two sticks? Justice.
No. Get out of here, boy. Crap! Bah. 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 So,
Oh my.
hello?
Wait.
Hello? Oh,
Yeah.
hello?
Are you toxic? Yeah.
Yep. Bye.